sunscreen. The sunscreen.
Say good morning, Ate Kulot.
Morning. Wake up pa.
Hi everyone! This is the part 2 and also the second day of our Morong Bataan trip. Before kami umuwi ay magsa-side trip muna kami sa isang popular at sulit na restaurant sa Subic. Stay tuned lang kayo dahil I will also share our expenses sa trip na ito bago matapos ang video.
Patayin ako ng happy face. Nika, show it to the camera. Wow! Okay, let's go to the beach.
Go to the beach.
Come on.
Come on.
Dahil last day na, maaga pa lang ay sinulit na namin ang paliligo. Mababaw at walang masyadong alon, kaya naman okay lang kahit walang floater ang mga bata.
Video. Say hi! Nika, wave your hands! Nika, wave your hands!
Hi, Binder.
Ate Kulot, doon ka. Hi, Ate Kulot. Oh, go back to Mamael again! Oh! Are you okay? Go, go, go! Shoot! Very good. Oh.
Pagkatapos mabusog ng puso sa dagat, ay nagutom naman ng aming tiyan kaya pupunta kami ng Extremely Expresso sa Subic para mananghalian.
Isang baby back steam rice po. Isang fish rice.
What is doing?
Making pizza.
What is doing, Nika?
Doing.
Huh? Nika, what is doing?
What are you doing?
Oh, music.
Nung pumasok kami dito, akala namin mahal. Pero hindi pala. Very generous sa serving at worth every penny ang pagkain.
So, ano? Subo ka rin, Ben? Ba't sa'yo, Mane?
Kaya na ako.
Kaya na.
Sandal.
Kaya ka na?
Samputo sandal.
Nika, look at daddy. Nika, look at daddy again. Wow.
Kumain ka na, Mami.
Nani ko muna sinusubukan ko si Banini, daddy.
What one? What one?
Ika, which one for you?
Strawberry.
Oh, strawberry for Kuya Orville. How about for Nika?
This one.
The white one.
It's cheesecake.
How about for Mommy? What's for Mommy?
Salted caramel. Daddy.
I like this.
Like this. Wow, what's going to say?
Mommy yung tissue.
That's for mommy, the salted caramel. Salted. You want to try this one too? Try it. Yes, here.